So do you love the idea of using stickers in your planner? You're sick and tired of spending countless amounts of your hard-earned dollars on all of those pricey sticker packs? Trust me, been there, done that. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can have fun using stickers in your planner. And guess what? There are 25 stickers included in my planner. So get your planners out and let's get ready to have fun using stickers. Hey, I'm Lindsay with Organized to Save, and if we're just meeting, on this channel, I'm here to help you get more organized and be more productive with budget-friendly tips and tricks. I've got some fun hacks for you in order to use your digital planner stickers. So if you aren't familiar, I just came out with the Organized to Save digital planner, which is what I'm going to be sharing in today's video. And if you missed the video where I walked you through this planner, make sure to check it out in the description box below, as it's going to give you a basic run through of how to use this planner. But when you purchase my planner, it's going to come with 25 stickers along with a separate pre-clipped GoodNotes insert. It's a game changer when trying to use digital stickers in your planner. I'll show you exactly how to use them. Don't worry, you're gonna love it. So let's go ahead and dive into my planner and let me show you how to use digital stickers in your own digital planner. Okay, so we're gonna start right in GoodNotes. And remember, if you haven't already watched the tutorial video on how to use a digital planner, go check that out now and then come back to this video. So first things first, we need to import our stickers. So we're gonna do the same actions that we did to download the planner. So you're gonna click the plus sign, press import, and then you're going to want to find where you have the stickers saved. Okay, so in this file, this is a separate file for a couple different reasons. But first, I want to show you how to use the stickers within your planner, and then we're going to hop back to this file. It's going to make so much sense why I included this extra file. We're going to go ahead and use the monthly spread so that way we can kind of play around with it and you can see exactly how we might use the stickers. Remember, in order to click on the stickers tab up above, you need to turn off your writing utensils. So click on stickers, and this is going to show you all the stickers that are available. Go ahead and click your writing utensil back on, and we're going to grab the little lasso tool at the top. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the little backpack, and all that you're going to do is trace around whatever image that you want. Press down on it, hold, and say take screenshot. Now this is going to pull up a box where you're going to have to click that little arrow up top and say where you want it to save. I would just say save image, and then that's going to save it to your camera roll. So we're going to go back to January. What you're going to do in order to import that backpack is click on the little image icon at the very top, and then you're going to see the backpack pop up. Go ahead and click on it. And now you have your backpack. Now here's the thing that you're going to notice. This sticker is not clipped out, so you have the white background around it. Now you can go ahead and press down on it and say crop, and then you can go ahead and freehand around the sticker. But you guys, that takes time, and I don't know about you, but I don't have time to do that. So I did it for you. Yes, I know you're gonna love me for this, but let's finish off this example and then I'll show you those pre-clipped files. As you can see, you still have some of that white background because obviously I didn't take the time to intensely crop out that background. If you're just using it on the white background like this and you don't have to worry about copy or anything showing underneath it, it is fine. But I really wanted you to be able to do some of these examples that I showed in the weekly spread. This bathing suit. As you can see, I overlaid it over the appointment sticker. So you can't see any of the white background behind that sticker. So this is going to be a great way if you want to overlay stickers on top of each other. The coffee cup up here, I did that as well. And the shopping cart, the meal planning one. So many different ways that you can utilize these stickers. So now that you know how to use the stickers that are included in it, let's go ahead and jump back over to the pre-clipped stickers. Okay, so for your lasso tool, let's go ahead and grab that same backpack. So on the other one, you had to go around the entire backpack in order to clip it. This one, you just have to go around a little bit of it, hold it down, say copy. Go ahead and hop back to your planner spread that you're working in. Down, say paste. Now you can see that there is absolutely no background. I know! Round of applause, you guys. This is the way to use digital planner stickers. By zooming in and out with this little arrow in the bottom right hand corner, you can make the sticker huge or small to exactly the size that you need, and you can also rotate it. So just for a refresher, compare these stickers. See how in the handle there is white and you cannot see through it? On the pre-clipped one, you can see through. So again, this works with every single sticker that's included in the pre-clipped sticker packs. So it's going to be super helpful, especially let's look at one of these checklist ones. So go ahead and copy. Again, you can see that this is just an open background, so you can put it wherever you wanted. And you're not going to see the background behind it. So every single one of these stickers, you can adjust it to your needs. All right, so let me know if you are excited to use digital stickers in your planner by giving this video a thumbs up. If you want to get your hands on this digital planner, make sure to check out the description down below. There's going to be a $5 off link that you can use through the end of 2019 for your very own digital planner. And if you're looking for more tips and tricks on how to maybe add in special inserts into your planner, check out the video on your screen right now, and we'll see you over there. Happy planning.